Hi guys, Happy New Year! Welcome to MrLopezClasses.com. Today I want to say thank you. Thank you very much for your support. This program is possible because you support this program. If you want to support this program, please subscribe. Be a member of MrLopezClasses.com. Make a click on that button. As soon as you make a click, you have the option to select your contribution. $3, $5 per month. Probably this is a little for you, but it's too much for me. It's too much for my project. The material of this project is used for other instructors in other universities, for other professors in other technical institutes. They use my classes, they use my videos, and they use my books to teach the different marine engineering classes. Your contribution is important for me. I appreciate if you be a member of this channel. Thank you very much. What is the advantage when you are a member of MrLopezClasses.com? There are a lot of advantages. Basically, if you check in my website, those are the products that I have. I have books. The books are in a PDF form or in a hard copy, in paper. In all of those books, you have 25% of discount. It's simple. You send an email to my email, info@MrLopezClasses.com, that email. You say, Mr. Lopez, I am interested to buy those books, those posters, and that course. I return the email with the invoice with 25% of discount. You pay with PayPal or with credit card, and you receive the material. It's too simple. 25% of discount. 25%. This is number one. In all the products, in books, or in the courses, the different type of courses. You know, all the courses that I have. If you check, if you try to enroll in any course, the regular price, if you are a member of MrLopezClasses.com, you have 25% of discount. You send an email to me at info@MrLopezClasses.com. You say that you are interested to take that course, and immediately I send to you the invoice with the discount. You paid, and you enroll in the class, and you be part of this group, the group of MrLopezClasses.com. Exactly the same with the posters, the different type of posters. Exactly the same with the single videos. If you are interested to buy different videos, you have 25% of discount. Exactly the same with the troubleshoot, the remote assistance. You can schedule remote assistant directly with me. 1 hour with me is $60, but if you are a member of my channel, you only pay $40. You send an email, Mr. Lopez, I want to schedule a conference with you next Monday at 2 p.m. and you have 25% of discount. That's wonderful. Yeah, the remote assistance is a great product. I have students in other countries. They repair the engines with my assistance. Camera with camera.
Okay, this is negative, and that cable.
You like it? Yes. I repair with him the inboard Mercruiser gasoline engines step by step. But I did the same with other people in other countries. Repair generators, install electronic equipment, repair gasoline engines, install water makers with my remote assistance. In some cases, it's only troubleshoot. In some cases, there are instructors in other countries that they said, Mr. Lopez, I want that you participate in my class next Monday with my students. And I participate with them. In the class, I participate with them, and it's good. You know that my passion is teach. I love teach. I pass my life teaching. This year I complete 35 years teaching. It's a lot of time, but I love it. I am too happy with this project. I am dedicated to create material, new material every day. If you are a member of this channel, you receive exclusive material every day because I create more and more and more material every day. But this is possible only for your contribution. Please, if you want to be a member of MrLopezClasses.com, make a click over there and be a member and enjoy all of those products. Thank you.